Now to add some data to our database, let's go into Server Explorer here and data connections. You can see our database shopping store entities, open that, tables and categories, show table data. Yeah, in here let's put a name to be electronics. Maybe here like accessories, and maybe let's say home appliance. I guess that's enough. Let's go to our items, table data. Actually, let's go first to our producer. Yeah, it depends on. Yeah, let's go first to our producers. Let's close that. Now that we have finished adding some of the producers information, so let's go into our items here. Show table data. Yep. So let's add maybe category ID. So let's put it like the one. Producers one, and title. Let's make this speakers. There's some information you can choose what information he wants, like for each item he needs. So for the item art, let's add I added the image in the images folder in the content. You can add these images, the images folder, and add an existing item. Right click on images and add existing item, whatever it is, just choose it and add it. So it's here, just like, so I can just show you here. Yeah. So I can just show you yeah, you can just add it like that. Content images, item art, the thing. So now, and let's go here and add another one. Let's run it. Head to store. So as you can see here, it opened so our categories, and there is electronics, and browse into electronics here. So now, yeah, that's right. And also one thing I want to tell you guys, if you haven't closed your database here, you have to close it. You just go ahead and close the connection. If you haven't closed it, you just close the connection, all right? To make it work, to make if you had any problem. All right. Now we will take advantage of entity framework features that allow us to indicate other related entities we want loaded, as well as when the categories object is retrieved. This feature is called query result shaping. It enables us to reduce the number of times we need to access the database to retrieve all of the information we need. We want to prefetch the items the category we retrieve. This is more efficient since it will retrieve both our category and item data in a single database query request. So let's go ahead and to browse here. Just take that off. Actually, no, just let this here. Leave those here. So let's put here store. So as you can see here, this is how it's done here. So now we can update our store browse to display the items which are available in each category. So let's go here and store, yeah, browse. Yeah, let's get here. And so now as this is done, let's just save this, build our project. Should store, just store here. Yeah, and you can see here store. We've clicked on electronics, so you can see speaker here. All right. So let's go back here and do the same changes to our ID, details ID method. So now that our store details page is set up to display an item by the item ID, let's update the browse view to link to the details view. So let's go ahead and go to the store. Yeah, browse. So now we are able to browse from our store page to a category page, which lists the available items, and by clicking on an item, it can view the details of that item. So now let's build this, and from index here, let's just go ahead and run it. As you can see here, it browses us into our categories. So we click electronics, we get speakers, and we get the item speaker, which ID, if you remember, was number 1. So that's it for this section. In the next section, we will be editing some forms. Instead of just displaying the database data, we are actually going to be able to edit these data from our website. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and see you next section.